How to cancel Discord subscription. So for cancelling your subscription, all you have to do is open up your Discord by installing your Discord app, or you can simply go to your web browser and then search for discord.com, and then it will take you to your page, and you can just go and simply log in. And after logging in, you will find your account. You will have a settings icon on the bottom. Click on settings, and then here you will have a bunch of options. So go for subscriptions. So for now I don't have any active subscriptions, but if you have any subscriptions for Discord app, then you will simply have a cancel button. Then you can simply click on that and it will ask you to confirm, and then you can click on confirm, and then your Discord subscription will be cancelled. So that's it guys, that's how you cancel Discord subscription, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.